the three sacred texts of Islam is the hadith, H-A-D-I-T-H. These are a collection of stories that Muhammad said and did, and these are very important because remember, Muhammad is the perfect Muslim, so every one of these traditions is an example of how a Muslim should lead their life. Indeed, the hadith does more to instruct a Muslim in how to be a Muslim than the Korán does. If you pick up the original by Bukhari, which is the most authoritative, you'll discover that it's daunting. First off, it's written in a difficult English. The other is there are 7,000 traditions. That's a lot. Now they're short or half a page, but this is a lot of reading to do. But as you read it, you'll also discover that there is an enormous repetition. That is, there could be 20 versions of the same story. So what I've done to make the hadith readable is to take, first off, and only deal with those parts of Islam, or the hadith, that are of interest to the non-believer, the kafir. There is extensive amount on how to pray. Well, a non-Muslim doesn't really care about this, so we leave that out. So what I've done is to take and simplify the English, and if there are 20 versions of the same story, I bring them all together and write a new hadith which summarizes everything that is known. So, if you ever want to verify anything that I've done and said, it has the same index number, so you can go back and see, well, did Bill do a good job here, or I want some more information. Now, there's two versions of the hadith. There are the political traditions of Muhammad, which is, I don't know, about 180 or 90 pages long. And then there is a short version called the hadith. They're the same. That is, they tell you exactly what you need to know about what Islam thinks about the non-believer, but one just has more detail. But it's fascinating reading. Thank you.